How to hide ads on Yubo. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete, and I'm back with new video. And on today's video we will see how we can hide ads on Yubo. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Yubo application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page from the top right corner. After that, you will get to your profile page. From here, again tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Now under this settings page, scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as swipe settings. Tap on it. Now under this swipe setting, at the top there is one toggle that says don't show my profile. Now to hide your ads, you have to turn on this toggle. And once you turn on that toggle, your ads will be hidden in your profile, including your information. Only your profile picture will be appear in your profile. And that's how you can hide ads on Yubo, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.